What if I told you it's possible to gain 1,000 real organic Facebook followers every single day without spending a dime on paid ads? No begging for shares, okay? Just a smart, consistent action is required. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact strategy that took my new Facebook profile followers from zero to viral in just few days, guys. Whether you're a business owner, a content creator, or you're just starting out, this step-by-step guide, this step-by-step method, it works. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it step by step so you can do it too. Stick around, because by the end of this video you have everything you need to explode your growth on Facebook and grow fast in 2025. If you're serious about growing your followers, turning them into real fans, stay with me till the end of this video so you won't miss out. Okay, don't skip any part of this video, because if you do so you might miss the essential part, the juiciest part. So I know you don't want to. I'm going to move to the other side of my screen and show you right from your Facebook app how you can do this and grow your Facebook followers organically. Okay, so if this is what you want, just stay tuned and watch me do that. Okay, hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across my face, this is the Creative Susan, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into the video. So friends, I just created this new account and I decided to take a screenshot of my Facebook profile so that I can use it and show you how the app was, like my profile was. Just let me head over to my Facebook app now so that I will show you how the profile is now. So here is my Facebook. Let me go back so that you will see that it's not a screenshot. So this is my Facebook app now. All right, so here is my profile. Let me refresh it and tap on the number of followers I have. Just you see this 1,424 followers. Okay, so I have turned this page to professional mode now so that you know that yes, that this method I'm about telling you is still going to work on professional mode. Okay, so let me show you how you're going to do this step by step. So you tap on this place. I'm trying to highlight it, this friends icon, where you receive, where you confirm your friends request, like where the friends tab is. Then you tap on this place, they say suggestions. You see here, I'm trying to highlight it. In my last videos, like some people said they can't find the suggestions on their tab, like, so here is it. I'm highlighting it again. Okay, so you have to tap on that. So they said suggestions, people you may know. Okay, so what you have to take note of here, you need to add friends that, like, people that you have one or two mutual friends with them. You can add those people. All you have to do is to be clicking on add friends. Okay, just add as many as you can. Like in the morning you can add like 30, in the afternoon you add like 30, in the evening you add like 30. So don't just do it once every, like, you can't add too much, don't overdo it. Okay, you can just add, just be clicking on it like that, just be adding. Okay, that's just what you'll be doing. Okay, the more you add, the more your followers will continue to increase. So this is just what you're expected to be doing, like 3 times in a day. When you wake up in the morning, you add like 30, in the evening you add like 30, in the afternoon you add like 30. Just do this consistently, just within few days. Okay, you're going to see massive followers on your Facebook profile. You're going to, in fact, there is someone I introduced this method to, and she was surprised how she grew from 1 point something K followers to 5K. Like, had this thing exploded, like her followers. Okay, because YouTube, even Facebook, started recommending her page to other people. So she was surprised, how did people discover me? How did I started gaining followers like this? Because when you start doing this, it's going to rise you up on Facebook. Okay, so this is just what you're expected to do, and you have to wait for some hours, okay, then you come back and check the number of your followers. It's not something you do it now and you expect it to start growing immediately. Okay, you have to do it consistently and wait for few hours and come back and check your number of subscribers. You will see that they have added. Okay, and check your number of followers. You will see that they have added. So here is the simple trick. All you have to do is to be consistent with this method, and you're going to definitely see good results on your Facebook growth. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and if you find value from this video, please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel for more amazing growth tips, more financial tips to put more money in your pocket. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.